Oh, whoa, busted. No, just kidding. This is that black sand that I ended up finding at the beach. You know, it's a normal sand beach, and all of a sudden, after a few storms, there was a bunch of rocks that showed up on the shore, and the sand was black. It's interesting because if you look, it's more than just quartz. It's like a bunch of pink and red, yellows, blues. You remember those old stories about the first settlers on the coasts of America that they found? Interesting stories. But anyways, I'm guessing that's garnet, right? That makes the most sense. I could hope for rubies and shit, but it's pretty cool. So the next test would be this magnet off this stand to see if it's magnetic. Because if it's garnet, which I think it is, it's a good sign for some things. But we need to see if there's any magnetite in it. Magnetite is a magnet, natural earth. So I have this neodymium magnet here, and let's see if it pulls anything. Oh. Oh. I think we have some magnetite. Let's brush this open just a little bit more, you know. The sand is still wet. There's not much magnetite or ferrous metals in it, but there is some. Let's zoom this up a bit. Oh, right there. Look at that. Yeah, that's not gravity. That's pretty cool. Fancy. You see what I mean? These little crystals in there, like little garnets or little rubies. Anyways, thanks for watching. Found some black sand. Oh, it was Myrtle Beach. Yeah, all you prospectors. There's some black sand at Myrtle Beach right now. My vacation's done. Take it easy.